Jamaica,
spend
watch
nearly
this.
12 to 14 hours on my phone every single day, and it's ruining myself and my brain. Like, I can literally feel my brain rotting, and I can't do anything about it. Over the past couple of weeks, I have noticed that I've been unable to string a full sentence together. Like, when I speak to people, I'm forgetting what to say. My vocabulary has become very limited, and I no longer have an opinion on anything because I'm not idle enough to think about things. I also realized that apps like Instagram and TikTok, they've put you under this spell. For the past couple of months, I've always been tired. Like, mentally, my brain has been fried. I have not even been doing anything. I haven't been creating, I haven't been working hard, nothing. The constant doom scrolling which is ruining my brain health. And the scariest of all is I no longer remember things if I don't have a picture or a video of it. And the reason I'm freaking out about this is because I used to be very opinionated. I had interesting takes, I had things to add into conversations before. Mine used to be a very interesting place for me to be. I loved sitting alone, thinking and exploring my own thoughts. When I sit alone, I have no thoughts. I also tried reading a book the other day. Every 3 to 4 sentences, I was losing focus and I could not follow what was being said in the book. None of this sounded as serious or alarming. But I started doing some research of long-term effects of high screen time. Parkinson's disease, dementia, and the decline in your cognitive health are all rising amongst young adults because of our passive viewing of content. I don't know why we don't speak about this enough, but I'm actually freaking out. I'm becoming dumber by the day. So if you have any tips that worked for you, please let me know. I'm literally having a whole crash out at the moment.